Hey fams, welcome to another moment with Anma Kamadi, certified relationship and love mentor, and this is audio coaching on the Hearttohearttv Academy. If you're new here, subscribe to the TV, turn on the notification button to get notified each time we do a post. Today we have a topic: dating with a purpose. You know, a lot of people confuse dating to friendship, or they confuse it to a relationship, or they also confuse it to courtship. Dating is none of them. But dating can be found in friendship, it can be found in a relationship, it can also be found in courtship. In this audio, I'll be explaining two things. One, the wrong reasons why people date. Two, the ways to date with a purpose. So you sit back and listen. The wrong reasons why so many people date, I really want you to listen and avoid, is sexual fulfillment, for money, for fame, for shelter, for food, for material things, trying to make another person feel jealous, trying to heal from heartbreak, quick marriage, to make your parent happy, and so many others, which I want you to really avoid after this video. Dating with a purpose is reserved for the very matured minds who are not keen on romantic love and excitement alone. They are meant for those who are willing to actually put certain effort to make it work. I'll give you an instance. If you have a footballer who has a free kick to play on the field and he's just looking at the goal post, he won't be very, very excited on playing the goal. All he will be doing is to set his mind, to fix his mind on how to actually score the goal. So you take note of that. The second point I'm going to discuss with you today is the 3 ways to date with a purpose. I want to expose you to this because I don't want anyone on the Hearttohearttv Academy to be having issues with dating. The first one is intentionally define what you both want. It may sound like, wow, it's too early. Trust me, it's not early. If you are very certain on what you want, there is nothing wrong in you both defining what you want from the onset. Define your wants. Talk about your likes. Talk about your dislikes. Talk about religion. Talk about your blood group and so many others. You need to be intentional about what you want. It doesn't really matter. If you meet someone who is also intentional, it flows. The second one is be self-disciplined. I told you, you have to be disciplined to the extent that you need to be honest. You need to communicate right and be very respectful. No matter what, you need to respect who you're dating. The third one I want you to take note of is wisdom and understanding is required. It is mandatory. Always think before you act. I tell you, it's really going to help you. Don't be quick to act while you're in a relationship. When you're confused, learn to ask questions. If you don't know what to do, ask a mentor for guidance. Remember, be patient in your dating with a purpose. So henceforth, I want you to start dating with a purpose. If you know others that would need this video, please share it with them. Like this video, drop your comment below this video. If you think you also have other ways people could date with a purpose, please drop them below this video. Follow us on all our social media platforms. Subscribe to this YouTube channel. And remember to stay tuned to enjoy more of our videos like this. I love you all and take care. Bye-bye.